Alright, it is about 10:56 p.m. and we are waiting for little Brian to burp. He just got fed, and so he should burp any time now, but yeah, so I'll try to get it on video. That would be great if I could. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, he didn't cry for he cried at 6:30 and then he cried at 8, so he's been really good. He hasn't cried that much, so thank God. See how tonight goes. Hopefully it's not that much, but if it is, that's fine. Time now. Yeah, he should burp anytime now. This will be the most boring video in the history of boring videos. So yeah. Anyway, about that. But tomorrow night, well, whenever I go to the Cavs game, I'm going to have a million energy drinks. All those. Yeah. Well, those are all open, but yeah. I'm going to have a bunch of them. So that way I won't go to sleep or anything. But I don't know. If things are the way they are now, then I guess I could. I'm just rambling right now. So, yeah. Any second now. Well, not really. And he's still in his little biker clothes. Well, not really biker clothes, because, but he has to have the chain on the jeans, because, yeah, I have a chain, too, so. Yep. I just threw the door. Because there's my leather jacket on the door. You can't really see it, but it's there. I should really be vacuuming this right now, but I'm really, because I need to get him burping, because it's just this really loud, creaky belt thing. So yeah. Anyway. Well, feel free for him to do that. I don't know what we can do. Feel free to, fast forward this, a random awkward silence for. Oh yeah. And then they'll just be probably have an awkward camera for a while. And that he does burp. This dropping something in him. I can stick his little bag. It says burp on it, but you can't see it. There we go. Oh shit. But I'm going to see it. We're going down. There we go. Camera down. Camera going down. Come on. It's okay. There he is. Happy. Alright. So there. Baby Brian burped. So, see you later.